Ngatho cia mwanya mwiroreri wa Keo TV ni kunyitana na ithuĩ ni Keo Gabiro thaa imwe. Ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa gukorwo gitucagura na gutuceceni no hurani ni maingi tukuhaririirie kuma riria gukire na thaa icio cihandite thaa imwe. Njitagwo Irimwa Wanjiru mutwathiriri na njira ya ciiko etagwo agitagwo Naomi wa Mathu na tukirika mbere ya turikite mohoro-ini reke tombe twamukire amwe ma maria tukiri namo. Andu ethi kaunti ya Murang'a kwaga kwiyumiria woyani-ini wa makurutu.
I expected 1,000 plus candidates being a town and being a hub for various wards. But approximately we had maybe 200.
Thairira cia thirikari gutema itemi nene hari kuongerereka kwa magetha ma mbembe.
Very good for Murang'a people ambayo inaitwa H533 ambayo is tolerant to a lot of diseases.
Na ruhonge rwa NTSA kugathika mawatho ma kuhitana na mitino ya barabara.
Need to design roads which are user friendly. User friendly in that case I mean make sure that the safety components are well designed.
Ni ngatho tariki ni 17 mweri-ini wa Kanyahungu turike mohoro-ini. Mihango ya woyani wa makurutu 10,000 ni cokereirie thutha wa kurugamio ni igoti kuria andu ethi meyumiririe na njira nene no kaunti ya Murang'a maundu mauma mugaru na kaunti ingi kona ayuthi aingi matinakorwo makiyumiria na uria rugamiririe woyani uyu kaunti ino ya Murang'a Joyfrey Ruheni akiugite megutanyite andu ethi ni mekwiyumiria akiuga kwa gukorwo aingi ao matiri na umenyo kuri na andu kana kuri na undu ta ucio urahanika wa kuya makurutu.
The weather was not very good in the morning. It was about to rain. That is one of the challenges. The other one, maybe most of the students did not get the information on time, and that one can be the reason for the low turnout. I expected 1,000 plus candidates being a town and being a hub for various wards, but approximately we had maybe 200 candidates. We have not had any case of corruption or laconism collecting money from anybody. We have not received any complaint. The candidates themselves they are cooperative. I can't say that you have any major challenge as of now. The process based on the qualification of the team and their integrity and the professionalism, they are practicing fairness, impartiality. You should not have any nepotism or that one we cannot entertain, because we are all Kenyans and we want to recruit the best police officer possible to serve this country. The exercise has progressed on very smoothly. The registration desk has done well. We registered quite a number of female candidates, male candidates, and we have the NYS, who according to the presidential directive will be given special slots in the recruitment centers. We have progressed them well. Now we are doing the physical exercise part. After this we go for the medical, and each and every stage we are doing shortlisting of the successful candidates, and in each stage there is a score sheet which will determine the performance of each and every candidate based on academics, the physical exercise, the gender, and also whether you have discharged from the NYS. The minimum qualification for this exercise is D+, and you should have a D+ in both English or Kiswahili. That is the minimum qualification academically. The height is 5 feet 8 inches for men and 5 feet 3 inches for females.
Na tugitigana na icio atongoria na athomi kaunti ya Trans Nzoia ni moritie thirikari guteithiriria aikari a Chesongoch guku ni kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet kuhonokia miri ya andu 10 aria nginya umuthi matire maroneka kuma ituika ria Ndoro rianike mwena ucio o aingi mathite na mbere na kugumiro ni mathina kiondorita na wagi wa irio ari umwe wa maundu maria mamagumire na wikaro na riu amwe matigitwo matari na wiki tiga guikara mitito-ini.
In fact ukiangalia mawe hii ambao ilitoka kwa milima juu na ikakuja hapa na force iliweza kuumiza watu wengi na kuvunja manyumba, na hata kulingana vile mimi nasikia, kwa sababu mimi ni kama mapua yangu ni very sharp hapa nasikia kuna harufu hapa na mimi naona ni kama kuna watu hapa. Mimi nataka kuuliza serikali, mbona mko make sure ya kwamba mawe hizi mmefunua hii nyumba ambayo iko hapa, na hapa ni kama kuna watu ambao wale watu wanasemekana missing people like 10 people, inaonekana ni hapa ni mahali wapo. So ningeuliza serikali wafanye juhudi ili familia wajue watu yao na waweze kusika watu yao, na itakuwa ni jambo la maana sana kama desturi sisi wa Afrika.
Na sisi kutoka Trans Nzoia tumeandamana na wao pia ili kuwaletea faraja na kuwaombea, na vile vile tunaomba serikali iendelee kutafuta miili ya watu haswa mahali tunasimama. Tukisimama hivi harufu iko hata kwa sasa. Tumeleta msaada ya chakula ambaye tutaenda kupeana baadaye, na kwanza tumekuja kuangalia vile hali ilivyo. Tumeona mawe kuanzia huko juu mpaka sasa ni hali ya kusikitisha. So nawaombea hao watu wetu, na naomba serikali vile viongozi wametangulia kusema tuwatafutie makao mahali pengine. Mahali hapa historia inaweza kujirudia na kisasi kingine pia inaweza kuathirika.
Tunahitaji psychosocial support ya hao watu, kwa sababu wengi wamekimbia, akili zao mtu akipoteza watu mpaka 8, watu 7, familia moja watu 8 mpaka 7 ama mpaka watu kadhaa. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali watafute watu ambao wanaweza kuja kusaidia watu kama Red Cross, kama hao watu ambao wamesomea hiyo kazi, wakuja wasaidia watu kuongelesha watu.
Na magetha ma mbembe ni mongererekete kuma kilo milioni 18 nginyagia mwaka-ini wa 2023 nginyagia kilo milioni 45 mwaka uyu. Na kuringana na Wangui Ngirici uria ni muikariri giti wa Kenya Seeds augite thairira cia thirikari ni icangiire wongereruku ucio ari hamwe na bataraitha ya raithi. Ongereire na kuga ruhonge ruru ni rwongereire gikiro gia kuruta mbegu ikinyaniire ikiro na kuhura na mbegu cia maigirira na matanyitwo kuruguria mbegu njeru ya mbembe
ya maize ambayo we are going to be launching in Kirinyaga, ambayo itakuwa very good for our Kirinyaga people, very good for Nyeri people, very good for Murang'a people, ambayo inaitwa H533 ambayo is tolerant to a lot of diseases. So hiyo tuki launch watu wetu na waomba mjue hiyo ililaunchiwa na imetengenezwa wakati nimekuwa pale, sababu I'm still thinking about it. Sawa sawa. Alafu mkinunua mahindi, anything mbegu ambayo ni ya kupanda, mnaangalia ile sticker ya KEPHIS. Please make sure you scratch and make sure that what you're planting or what you're going to do, we are an agricultural area, isn't it? What you're going to plant in your farm is something that is certified, a seed that is quality and it is good for you. Hiyo kazi nimejua wakati nimeenda pale, na ninawaomba you continue supporting each other and continue learning more about farming, because farming is the next big thing in this country. Average age of a farmer was about 64 years. Right now it's about 57 years. Tafadhali wana youth, just know white collar jobs atakama zinaisha. Please, farming is the next big thing. Ingieni katika mashamba. I'm sure wazazi wenyu will be kind enough to lend you a place, tuendelee na kufanya farming. Sawa sawa.
Mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura augite andu aria mahutitio wenjini wa thahabu ya ciringi bilioni 683 ni magukorwo makirihwo ni thirikari mwena wa Bushi Ngala guku ni county ya Kakamega. Augite gutiri mundu uguthamio hatari watho urarumirirwo na no nginya mundu akorwo akirihwo kiria kana negero kiria kiri giake. Mwaura ogerera na kuga makinya macio matacukio ni magukorwo makurehe uguni kuri
Tunasema kwamba katika mchakato huu wote wa dhahabu ambao umeweza kugunduliwa hapa Ikolomani, ambao una rasilimali kubwa na utajiri mkubwa wa shilingi bilioni 600, zaidi ya shilingi bilioni 700, kwamba tuna mgao wa fedha kulingana na ile formula ambayo imewekwa katika sheria ya madini. 70% itakwenda katika serikali ya kitaifa, 20% katika serikali gatuzi la Kakamega na 10% katika miradi ya kijamii. Lakini zaidi ya hapo kuna 1% ya mauzo yote ambayo itaelekezwa kwenye wanakijiji hapa, wanachama 14 wakishirikiana na kampuni, lakini wakiweza kupigwa msasa vizuri na kuangaliwa vizuri na serikali, waangalie ni barabara zipi watatengeneza, ni mashule yapi na kadhalika. Kwa hivyo hapa hakuna bugdha, hakuna mtu yoyote ambaye hatalipwa fidia. Tayari kuna kamati na mikakati ambayo itakuwa ikifanyika hivyo, lakini manufaa haya yatafaidi wote, hata kuweza kuimarisha sarafu, dhamani ya sarafu yetu, kwa sababu itakuwa ni nguzo kubwa katika kujaribu kuangalia dhamani ya utajiri wote wa nchi kama ilivyo imekuwa kwa muda mrefu. Kwa hivyo hili ni jambo zuri na tunashukuru sana kwamba tumekuja hapa katika hii kiwanda ambacho kimejengwa majumba haya ambayo yamekamilika 88%. So it is a community here that is going to identify the projects. It's a committee of 14 members that will sit down and agree with the company. We want a borehole here, we want a road here, we want a school there, we want a health facility, so that they benefit from the resources. And in the whole issue of compensation, there is already a team that is being put in place as we speak. I've just spoken to the PS for mining, PS Harry Kimtai, so people need not to worry. The government is on top of this, and nobody shall be dispossessed. Nobody shall lose their property. They shall be adequately compensated as per what shall be agreed upon by the team that the Ministry of Mining, under the State Department for Mining, is doing.
Nigatho riboti gatuhe kanya ga uko tugikiria na wona twarikia gucokereria tumurike ciige wigiriki barabara-ini kana kuhitana na mitino ya barabara.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investiire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials, razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. oho no makoragwo na solar panels na nĩ makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinyoka remote oguo wĩra nĩ mũingĩ twa gũtinda kũng'ang'ana na ngeti nĩ mahetwo ngerenwa nyingĩ mũno nduka ciao ciĩ Nairobi CBD macemanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204 nduka yao ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1 na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani nĩ harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959 gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kemuma Engineering System twaririe
Tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgũkinyĩra o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu yũkĩte na nditi nene mũno makĩria rĩu tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ũgĩterevwo na your number 1 microphone commander Kamau wa Waithera KW
Kawa
marĩ hamwe na women rep Susan wa Ngoro
atũthiĩte wega aste
ĩrĩ gũkinyagira kwambĩrĩria thaa 5 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu ĩrĩ na mwarahũko wa magegania mathaa merĩ ma rwĩmbo tu mwago ũtangĩtigĩka ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp namba itũ nĩ 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email itũ nĩyo info@keheotv.co.ke Mwangaza wa Neno FM Shesheni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagĩra ũmemerekia mũthuranĩre o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitanĩra na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riũa rĩa Wega thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithera KW mũgatereva na kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ na kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũkanyitanĩra na Susan wa Ngoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco
ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku
Ngatho nĩ gũtuĩkara ikuhĩ twacokereria oro rĩngĩ riboti ĩrĩa ĩrekereirio nĩ rũhonge rwa kũramata wĩigĩrĩrĩki barabara-inĩ ruonanĩtie gĩcunjĩ kĩa 80 harĩ igana kĩa andũ arĩa makuruhanagio mĩtino-inĩ nĩ arũme na ingĩ nĩ atwarithia a nduthi na gũkinyĩria rĩu andũ 4,200 nĩo makuĩte kũrũmĩrĩra mĩtino ĩno ya barabara na kumana na ũhoro ũyũ rũhonge rwa NTSA hamwe na rwa KENHA nĩ rũgathĩkĩte mawatho merũ ma kũnyihia mĩtino ĩno Wambui wa Ng'ang'a nĩ ũrahinyia ripoti ino.
Na sisi watu ya transport, particularly watu ya matatu, sisi tumejipanga ili ku reduce accidents. Kwa sababu accident ikifanyika inaathiri hata mwenye gari, hata dereva, hata conductor na kila mtu anaathirika na hiyo mkasa. So tuko na kamati tumefanya kila pahali kwa county wa transport circles to reduce road accidents, na officials wa all the circles wako very vigilant kuangalia drivers wana comply na regulations yote ya serikali.
In Kenya, we are losing around 4,500 people on the roads. And that's why we want now, starting from now, and of course with the performance of this committee, joining hands together with the National Transport Authority, we want to bring some sense of managing our roads and also to the drivers, and also to the drivers. Because the other day you find, after every week, we are getting cases of accidents happening. So this time, we want to team up together and ensure our roads are safe. If anything, there are those, especially the vulnerable road users, we must take care of that. We also want to be doing audits of our roads to check what is missing. Take, for example, there's some roads which do not have road markings, road signage, which have also driven people to die on our roads. To our drivers also, as the regional manager said, for example, you find out of 100 border drivers or riders, it's only around 5 or 10 who have driving licenses. So we have agreed going forward, the most important thing will be to ensure that all these road users and the riders, they have the right documents, especially the driving license, on our roads. Number 2 also, safer roads and safer vehicles. We have to ensure that all our vehicles on the road, they are safe for our users. Number 3 also, to the drivers of these vehicles also, we want to embark on an enforcement assignment whereby for the drivers who are on the road, they are well taken care of in terms of training, especially also to the border drivers, riders, the drivers also, and we are happy with NTSA, the task they have taken of bringing some sensitization seminars to all these people who are on our roads.
Tutaendeleza campaign ya kuhamasisha watu kuhusu usalama barabarani, haitaisha siku ya leo. Kwa hivyo kuanzia kesho kuendelea, tutaendelea na kazi hiyo ili tufikie kila mmoja wetu katika county hii yetu ya Embu, Tharaka na Kirinyaga.
Bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ ũmwe wa mabũrũri marĩa makoragwo na andũ aingĩ marakua kumana na mĩtino ya barabara. Ũthuthuria ũronania atĩ mĩtino ya barabara nĩyo gĩtũmi kĩnene kĩa ikuũ cia andũ a ũkũrũ wa gatagatĩ ka mĩaka 15 na 29. Mĩtino ĩno ĩhĩrĩirie kaunti-inĩ cia Kirinyaga, Embu na Tharaka Nithi, kũrĩa Regan Mũrĩithi ũrĩa nĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa rũhonge rwa NTSA Embu augĩte andũ 229 nĩo makuĩte kaunti-inĩ icio kuma Januari nginyagia mweri wa 10 mwaka ũyũ.
Rũhonge rwa ũkuui rwa NTSA nĩ rũrutĩte namba njerũ ya andũ arĩa makuĩte mwaka ũyũ kumana na mĩtino ya barabara, makiuga atĩ kaunti ya Kakamega mwena wa ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri nĩ ĩtongoretie na andũ 88, kaunti ya Bungoma na andũ 66, nayo kaunti ya Vihiga ikarigĩrĩria.
Tumepoteza watu wengi sana, haswa sehemu hii ya Embu na Tharaka Nithi na Kirinyaga. Kirinyaga ikiongoza kwa idadi. Kutoka Januari mpaka mwezi wa Oktoba, Kirinyaga imepoteza watu 96. Embu imepoteza 86 na Tharaka Nithi imepoteza 47. So ukiangalia au ni watu wengi sana ambao tumepoteza katika region hii, na kwa hivyo hatutaki kupoteza wengine zaidi.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Kakamega hĩndĩ ya kambeni ya kuongerera ũigĩrĩrĩki barabara-inĩ ta njĩra ya kũririkana andũ arĩa makuĩte kumana na mĩtino ya bara, mũnini wa mũtongoria wa NTSA Shem Shalaha nĩugĩte atĩ gĩcunjĩ kĩa 40 harĩ 100 rĩa andũ arĩa makuĩte kumana na mĩtino ya barabara nĩ arũme na atwarithia a nduthi arĩa macũngagĩrĩria hanene harĩ ikuũ nyingĩ cia andũ.
Of the 4,200, 80% are men. So we want to come here next year at the same time, and we say that at least we have moved from maybe to 0. Actually, that is our target. It may not be possible, but maybe to zero death on our road.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu Gabriel Uyugi, supervisor rũhonge-inĩ rwa Ken mwena wa ithũĩro, augĩte atĩ rũhonge rũu nĩ rwambĩrĩirie wĩra wa gũthondeka bara wega ta njĩra ya kũhũrana na mĩtino ya bara.
We need to design roads which are user friendly. User friendly in that case I mean make sure that the safety components are well designed, are well maintained, and are well educated to the public who are using that.
Rũhonge rwa bara rwa NTSA rĩu nĩ mambĩkĩte mĩtaratara mĩerũ ya kũgirĩrĩria ikuũ cia athii kumana na mĩtino ya bara, makĩria hĩndĩ ĩno twerekeire mambura ma thigũkũ.
Tutaendeleza campaign ya kuhamasisha watu kuhusu usalama barabarani, haitaisha siku ya leo. Kwa hivyo kuanzia kesho kuendelea tutaendelea na kazi hiyo ili tufikie kila mmoja wetu katika county hii yetu ya Embu, Tharaka na Kirinyaga.
Ngĩribotera Keo TV, Ngetĩka Wambui Wang'ang'a.
Nĩ ngatho Wambui Wang'ang'a nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ĩyo twĩkĩrĩre gaturumu hau nĩgetha tũkorwo tũkĩnengereria mwaro ũyũ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Maureen Wanjiru wa Njeri agĩkũrehera tabarĩra ya twarie cararũkũ. Nĩ ngatho Ngetwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko Naomi wa Mathu tũgĩkarĩko wona cianda thaa 3 tũgũcemania oro handũ gĩthiĩ na mbere na gũcagũra Kĩheo TV.